Business Basics. Getting started with Instagram business account. Setting up a business account on Instagram is a straightforward process that can help you leverage the platform's features for marketing and promotion. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Number 1. Download and install Instagram app. If you haven't already, download the Instagram app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Install the app on your smartphone or tablet. Number 2. Sign up or log in. If you're new to Instagram, sign up for an account using your email address or phone number, or you can log in if you already have an existing personal account. Number 3. Access account settings. Once you are logged in, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Number 4. Switch to business account. In your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Number 5. Navigate to Account Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Account. Number 6. Switch account type. Under the Account section, tap on Switch to Professional account. Number 7. Use business account. Instagram offers 2 types of professional accounts, Creator and Business. Select Business as your account type. Number 8. Connect to Facebook page. If you have a Facebook page associated with your business, Instagram will prompt you to connect it to your Instagram account. This step is optional but recommended as it enables additional features like Instagram shopping and insights. Number 9. Complete business profile. For connecting to a Facebook page, or if you choose to skip this step, you will be asked to provide additional information about your business. This includes your business category, contact information, and physical address. Number 10. Review and confirm. Review the information you have provided and make sure everything is accurate. Once you are satisfied, tap Done. Number 11. Set up profile. After confirming your business information, you can customize your Instagram business profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and website URL. This information helps potential customers learn more about your business. Number 12. Explore business tools. With your business account setup, explore Instagram's business tools such as Insight, promotions, and shopping to effectively manage and grow your business presence on the platform. Number 13. Start posting. Once your business account is set up, start posting engaging content to attract followers and build your brand presence on Instagram. You can share photos, videos, stories, IGTV, and more to connect with your audience. By following the steps, you can easily set up a business account on Instagram and begin using its powerful features to promote your products or services and engage with your target audience. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. I love hearing from you guys, and I am always looking for ways to improve my content. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.